looking at? I know that look. You know when you want to say something, but you're thinking how to say it? What words do you use? I feel you need to open up. Express yourself, please don't hold back. People will either love you or hate you, but at least you will know in your heart that you were honest to yourself. And that face you make? Just say it. I don't like it. Come on. Okay, I don't want to talk.